That light's not very long, eh?
Yeah, there's a Shannon and Dan right there.
Oh man, this leash is really twirled, eh?
Let's not come up if you want to twirl it. I guess when they put your seatbelt on, it was not in it anymore.
How'd that get all twisted, honey?
Look at this fucking guy behind us. Look at him.
Where?
What's your fucking problem?
Don't. Just... Why would you do that?
I wasn't doing anything. They were right up my ass in the other lane.
I don't want to fight.
Like I was just saying, what? Like back off.
But I didn't even see him.
What? I don't even know what I did.
Well, what was going on?
I have no fucking idea. You tell me.
I don't understand.
Neither do I. I was driving. What just happened? I don't know.
You didn't stick your finger or anything?
No. She was right up my ass in the oncoming lane before I even went like this.
Before you went like what?
Before I went like what? Like she was right up my ass, going freaking out in her window like doing this.
Those
and
are
I said
the type
what?
that get out and grab your dog.
I said what? Like what? What?
I don't know why we stay in this city.
I don't know what I was doing. Was I doing anything wrong?
I don't think so. I never saw anything.
But I am going to send that to the police. Fucking right I am.